Hello, in this video I will show you how you can create your own Azure VM with public IP on Brainboard. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to create it from scratch. Then I'm going to select Azure as my cloud provider. As a first resource, I will use a region. Then I will configure it. So here will be location and East US. We are good to go here. Now I will include a resource group in my region. So here will be resource group RG templates. So RG template. Here is US East location. RG templates, I will name it like that. I look for advanced configuration. We don't need the tags, and here we are good to go. So I will make these and these two resources bigger to now include a virtual network. So VNet. So we are looking for virtual network. It's here. I will drag and drop it in the resource group. Here will be VNet template. Address space will be 10.0.0.0 like that. East US location. The name will be VNet templates. Advanced configuration. We don't need the tags. And as you can see, the location and the resource group name have been already pre-filled. So here I will make it bigger to now include a subnet. So here, subnet, we have this one. I will include it directly in the VNet. Here I will configure it so it will be subnet template. Name will be subnet template. Address prefix, we have this one. Now I will look at the advanced configuration more, and here we are good to go. Here now I will make it like that, and here I will include a virtual machine. So virtual machine, we have it here. So here I will say it's a VM template, US East. The name can be VM template, or it can be var like that. The network interface ID is this one. We are good to go here. Resource group already been pre-filled, and here we have standard. Here we have read, write, create option. We have from image. Here we have the type, we have standard LRS. OS disk template, OS disk template. Then we look for OS profile in advanced configuration. We don't need the tags here. So here we have var password. Then we have user template, host name template. We have disabled here, and we're good to go here. So this one, I will rename it. It will be a virtual machine. Perfect. Now I will include a network interface. So network interface is this one. See here, net interface template. Here, same thing. IP gateway. So IP configuration. We have name is ipconf template. Here we have private IP is dynamic. And this one is subnetted is this one. And here we are good to go. This one we don't need. So here it will be this. This one can be network interface. This one I want to change the color. It will be like this one. Perfect. And here I want to put a dash. Let's say 3. Perfect. And here I will create a connector between this one, and the connector I will call it use. Now I will have a load balancer. It will be in the resource group. So here the load balancer will be, let's say, LB template. Name, can I use the name here? I will be LB template. The SKU will be basic here. Then here we have front IP name. Then we have ID public IP addresses IP. And here we are good to go. This one I want to call it load balancer. Now I want a public IP is this one. Directly here. So here will be public IP. So here we configure it. It will be public IP will be public IP template. Here allocation method is static. Here will be public IP template. Advanced configuration. And here we're good. So this one I want to make it, let's say, border color in red. And public IP is good here. Then now I create a connector between this one and this one. Connector, I call it behind. connector. Yeah, like that. And here I need an internet. So it will be this one. Internet like that. Then now I need a connector between this one and this one. Connector, you can change body weight. So for example, it's 3. And here you can fill the color. It can be like that. And perfect like that. So this one, I can make it, I can change the color. It can be red. And we have now we look at the variables. So OS password, we look architecture string is good. Prefix, Brainboard, and SKU, we're good to go. Here, for example, let's say that I want to delete this one just to show you how you can create another one. So here I'm on variable. I will create, let's say, OS password. It will be the same one just to show you how you can create yours. Here, string. Here, default as, and description can be this one. And of course, you need to add. So here I showed you how you can create your own architecture, your own Terraform code, and then we will look at the deploy. So here we have the Terraform code that I showed you already. We can do an action, either plan, apply, or destroy, which will do a plan. Here Terraform init and the state lock. Here everything is correct. As Brainboard is a collaborative solution, so if one of your colleagues wants to do an apply, Brainboard can recognize it. It will actually tell you that you need to switch off. Then here I stop the current action. I do an apply if I want. Here, if I want to do it, I simply need to set up, let's say, GitHub, Brainboard, save. Then I do create pull request, use case, create. Here I have the good link to the PR and all the files that I changed. So now we are good to go. And here, if I want, I simply need to go with, so here will be create templates, next, organization or public, next, here I can have it, next, and then close. Let's say now that I want to change, I want to go to another environment. So here will be Brainboard collaboration, it will be this one. I want to open this new environment. Here will be Azure VM with public IPs, the one we created together. It's here, and you have the code here. So I hope this video has been useful for you, and if you have any questions, I will be really happy to help you. Have a great day.